Peel, wash and grate 3 medium-sized potatoes. Wash and drain out the water. Transfer to a sieve to drain out excess water. Transfer to a bowl, add some diced spring onion. Next, add some diced green Scotch bonnet pepper. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric. Go in with 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix properly. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Pour in the potato mix, and spread it evenly. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Flip over and cook for 3 minutes.